Hello everyone and welcome to the Italian kitchen. I, Chef Sandeep and Chef Rahul will demonstrate the recipe of pesto minestrone. The ingredients required for making pesto minestrone is pasta. You can take any kind of pasta. We have taken macaroni pasta, cabbage chopped, chopped carrots, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, tomato puree, chopped celery, pesto sauce. Pesto sauce is one of the most popular sauce from Italy, which is made from chopped basil, chopped pine nuts, chopped garlic, olive oil, and then it's blended to a sauce texture. Apart from that, we require olive oil, chopped garlic, seasoning, salt and pepper, and herbs, fresh herbs chopped like chopped basil, chopped oregano, and chopped parsley. So let us begin with the making of pesto minestrone. For that, firstly we'll heat the pan, add olive oil, now we'll add a little chopped garlic to it. Saute it well so that the flavor of garlic starts coming out. One thing is we should never brown the garlic. It will have a different flavor. So the garlic is sweated. Now we can get a good flavor of garlic. We'll add the onion right away. Saute it. Now we'll add chopped carrot, cabbage and celery. Saute it well. Now we'll add chopped tomatoes to it. Minestrone soup is the national soup of Italy and it is been made and served all over the Italy. It's a broth kind of soup under the classification of soup. Now your tomatoes are sauteed well, we'll add tomato puree to it. It will be around 4 to 5 tablespoons of tomato puree. Mix it well, let it cook. The more you cook, the more flavor of tomato will come into the soup. So the tomato puree is sauteed well until it starts getting bright red in color. You can see here the bright red color has been achieved now. So we'll add chicken stock to it. You can also add a vegetable stock if you want to make a vegetable version of minestrone soup. Now you'll allow the soup to come to a boil, and then we'll simmer it for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll add the seasoning to it, little salt as per the taste and pepper as per the spiciness required in the soup. Now we'll simmer the soup for 10 to 15 minutes. You need to remove the scum as and how it comes in between, and then put it on a simmering flame. झालं रेडी आहे सूप रेडी आहे चल थांब थांब ठीक आहे चला त्याला काय गार्निश आहे का
त्याला आपण काहीतरी करायला सांगू ना. हे स्टिको पास्ते कोडिंग मध्ये
नाही नाही हे टाकूया ना ऐक ऐक हे बेझिल टाकूया चल ये बेझिल वासे आहे ना तो त्याचं कुठं गेला हात ठेवला होता का हे बघ सूप पोर कर त्याचा तर बघू आपण काय करा
आणि हे गार्निश हे पण ॲक्च्युली त्याच्यात टाकायचं आहे पास्ता बिफोर यू सर्व ॲड पास्ता अँड देन
अरे हा पास्ता थांब एक मिनटं पास्ता तिथंच टाकायला लागेल वेट
आणि ॲक्च्युली हे सूप आहे ना पेस्टो सॉस वरतून टाकतात
माहिती आहे आता ते करू ना आपण वरती पण थांब एक मिनटं आता पास्ता टाकायचा आपल्याला
ठीक आहे
सूप थांब ना 2 मिनटं तुला नाही का गडबडच खूप असते आता कसं करणार ते सूप पोर करणार तू ठीक आहे त्यानंतर हे बेझिल ठेवणार आणि थोडंसं चॉप पामेझान चीज ओके स्टार्ट
ठीक हे काढून टाका
Now let us serve the soup here in the soup bowl. Wow, look at the piping hot fumes coming out of it. Now we will garnish it with fresh basil and parmesan cheese chopped or grated parmesan, sorry. Wow, great. Enjoy.